how to connect RevenueCat to the App Store. So let's say that you have an application on the App Store. The first thing before connecting it is going to be creating a product. So what are we trying to create a paywall for? Usually you will have a default product, but let's say that we are beginning from scratch. Once you click on it here, then you will need to set an identifier. So this is going to be sale. And the display name is going to be one-time sale, or unique display name for your offering, which you can access via the SDK. And you just want to click on add package here. Once you click on add package, then you will choose the paywall type. So here you will have monthly, you have annual, 6 months, 3 months, you can read through it, or lifetime. So since this is going to be a one-time sale, this is going to be lifetime, and you will get lifetime access to test project, just like that. And here you can again select lifetime. Now, once you click on save, you will have a identifier here, sale, one-time sale, and you will have it ready. Now, how can we use this? Next, you will need to go into paywalls and click on new paywall, and you will choose either create from scratch or use a template. So we're going to create from scratch. The paywall is going to be lifetime access, and the offering is going to be the sale. And here you can choose your language and so on and so forth, and you can just add it here. So we're going to save to draft. Now, once you have created this paywall, then what you need to do is to connect your SDK or install the SDK. So in order to add it to your app, you will need to copy your API key and use the sample code or set up with AI prompt. So if you click on install SDK here, then this is going to be the code which we can use. If you are using AI to integrate RevenueCat, you can copy the prompt and it's going to give it to you. Now, like I said, if you are using AI, this is going to be what the prompt looks like. Help me integrate RevenueCat SDK into my test app, and it's going to give you all of the information, and it's going to give all the information to the AI assistant. Now, if you are doing this manually, then you will need to copy this and you will manually paste it in your application. And also you will need to focus on the API key. So you will copy the API key as well, and you will need to add it to your app. And then RevenueCat is going to have access to your app, and you can use the paywalls which you have created. And that's how you connect it to the App Store. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I will see you next time.